Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to make a random password generator in Java. So what we'll do is basically give the computer like a set of characters and then it will make a random password out of it. So let's begin. So we already have these. Let's type let's go to free and type import java dot security dot secure random. Okay, now it's public class Java 13. We'll move this here actually, but let's move this back to line 8. Over here we'll type private static final string. Now we'll type characters. Wait, before we do that, let's type string here and let's type characters here equals, and then let's type A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's type all the uppercase letters, and then let's move on to H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, now we'll do the same thing with the lowercase. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. You just type all the letters. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, now what we'll do next is type all the numbers. So I'll do this. Okay, then now we'll add all the symbols. Okay, there we go. So that's all our characters. Now we'll put a semicolon to end it off. Okay, now here's the public static void main string args code. We'll delete that and type int length equals 12. This will determine the length of the passwords. So we can change this length, but we'll just keep it at 12 for now. Now let's type system dot out dot println, and then after that what we'll type is generated password and then colon space, and then we'll go here and type plus generate actually password, and then we'll do length. Now we'll put a semicolon to end it off. We'll define the generate password after the thing. Okay, now we will move this here to line 11 and move it under the P. Okay, now what's next? We'll go to line 13 here and start our code by typing private static string generate password, and then we'll do int length. Okay, Wait, let's actually lowercase this. Okay. And then we will put this here. Okay, there we go. Now we'll do secure random random, and then we'll do equals new, and then after that we'll do secure random. Oops, let me put a semicolon here to end it off here. Now we'll put a space and type string builder, and then we'll do password. Then we'll do equals new string builder. Okay, there we go. So now we'll move to line 17 here. And after that, now we'll type 4 int I equals 0. I is less than length, semicolon, I plus plus. Okay, now we'll put this here. And then we'll type password appeal dot append. Actually, yeah, let's do password dot append. Now, characters dot char at. Now we'll do random. Wait, okay. Now we'll do random dot next int. Then we'll type let's type characters here. And now we'll type dot length. Okay. Now there's 4 of them. Now we'll put a semicolon. Wait, so yeah, there's a one in line 19. Wait, there's a mistake here. Let me fix that. Okay. Yeah, I accidentally put that here. We need to make it like this. Okay. Okay, now we'll move on here. Okay, we'll move to line 20, which we'll skip. Wait, let me move this to line 19 here. Okay. So we'll skip the 20 and we'll move on to 21. We'll type return password, and then we'll type to string. Now we'll put a semicolon to end it off. And this should end at line 23. Okay? And I forgot about this here. We need to put 2 brackets around it. And then we're done. Now we'll just select this, right click, And then we'll do run as one Java application. Click OK. And now we have a generated password. So this program is good for like if you don't know how to build a strong password. So a strong password is basically like a password with a lot of like random characters and digits and all of that. So basically we have a strong password here, but like strong passwords are like longer. Let's say you want a 20-line password, we can change that. Now we'll just run the code again and get a longer password. Or like if you're really like the password guy who likes to like secure his passwords, like you could type a tough one. The reason for strong passwords is like for hackers like not to like able to guess your password easily. And they're pretty random, so they won't be able to like use any information and like that. So yeah, that's basically what this program does. So over here, let me just like type this. Change password length. Okay. So that is what this line basically does. So yeah, this is the only area where you can like basically change the length and like customize it. Here you can customize it too, but like we almost have everything, just maybe a few special characters here, but yeah, we like literally have almost anything, so everything. So I think it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's password generator useful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it with your friends and family to receive more notifications from my channel and get more amazing videos and support me. Thank you guys for watching today's lesson, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have a good day.